Hello everyone, how to make a storybook in Google Gemini. Right now Gemini has a feature called Gemini Storybook. Still experimental and not available to everyone yet. It lets you generate illustrated and narrated storybook directly inside the Gemini app. Here is how you can make one if you have access. How to make storybook in Google Gemini. Open the Gemini app on Android or iOS. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Update the latest version of the app. Find the storybook. In Gemini shop bar, type something like create a storybook about duck, for example. If the feature is available, Gemini will show you a storybook mode option with illustrated banner. You can choose your style and theme. Gemini lets you adjust the tone, like funny, bedtime, adventurous, educational, and you may also get to choose illustrated style, cartoon, watercolor, digital art. Generate your storybook. Gemini will create page with text and image. You can regenerate and expand or edit section if you want different scenes. Narration. Some versions include voice narration where Gemini reads the story aloud. Actually, I have this feature. Save and share. You can save your storybook inside the app, but right now you are not able to download it. If you have a question related to Gemini app, just go to the forum, Gemini forum, and type your question.